Are you considering having an adult-only or child-friendly wedding? Stay tuned for our advice. Hi everyone, and welcome back. Today we're going to discuss children at weddings. Now this is a topic that we're asked about by many of our clients who want to include their families but at the same time not worry about people having to leave early or having screaming children during their wedding ceremony. Here are 4 suggestions that could help you decide what's best for your wedding day. Now bear in mind that these will depend on your family situation as well as the wedding location. Number 1. The no children rule. This is for those who want an adult-only wedding with no children interruptions. This will depend on the wedding location and could have both good and bad outcomes. You may have an uninterrupted ceremony and reception where parents can let their hair down, but at the same time you could offend other guests by excluding their children or causing dramas with them having to arrange a babysitter. Number 2. Immediate family children only. This will assist in limiting the number of children at your wedding, but there'll always be somebody who will complain that their children were not invited. Number 3. Children permitted at the reception only. This will allow for you and your partner to say your vows in front of family and friends and not worry about children screaming, crying or running around during the service. Number 4. Arranging for a wedding nanny or children entertainment. This option will keep the little ones busy and occupied. Parents will be able to enjoy your wedding knowing that their children are being looked after, all while being able to check in on them throughout the night. Now these are just a few suggestions for you. We do have some other articles in our wedding blog that relate to children at weddings, and I'll be sure to add links to those below. If you do decide to have children at your wedding, what we can do here at Pink Caviar is arrange what we call the children goodie bags. They're presented in branded canvas bags, which is a great take-home souvenir from your wedding, and contain items like activity books, pencils, stickers, and a toy, just to keep the children busy through the night. Please be sure to like and share our video, and in the meantime, stay tuned for updates on our wedding planning advice series. I'll also be sure to include our social media links below so you can check out some galleries or other information. Until next time, happy planning!